Ty going crazy on little tiny pea-sized pieces. But he loves them.
Yeah.
There's my other buddy, digging away like a gopher. Using the pinpointer and moving dirt. Who's gonna find the first one?
Nail or something.
It's a nail? Okay. Wah wah. I'll film over here. Did you get one?
Not wire, but I think look. He's arsenic.
Ty trying to find fresh dirt to dig. If we can get the big one out of the way. And then here's some other ones they were finding.
You win
I got the littler one.
There's cobalt in there for sure. Maybe some silver. Oh, now he's looking.
So little.
You get it? You did.
I did.
Let's see what you're finding.
It's like the littlest pea-sized piece. But these are what those wires are all usually in.
Okay.
Once you clean the dirt out of them.
Right?
It's like the littlest. You can see silver shining there.
I do see the silver.
It's probably a wire because if you look at the shape of it, it's probably curled this way. It's tiny, but I'll bet you there's wire in that.
See?
Don't drop it.
No, like my last one?
Pretty sure that there's wire in that one.
Oh man, that's small
They are.
though. Especially when earlier today he got a 40-pound rock.
Oh, it makes everything look small, right?
Yeah, it does.
I'll sell that right there. So there's a couple little leaves too.
Oh, you got
Little pieces there.
There's a
Some might be
stash.
wire, too.
There's a stash.
My little tiny finds.
Yeah.
But a couple hours, you end up filling your pockets with those. So if you just sit there and determine.
And keep digging.
Yeah.
Dig. And under a microscope, you can see that Ty was correct. There's silver wire in this little rock. Little tiny wires in this rock. And Tim wasn't skunked either. Here's a pretty nice piece of leaf silver that he found. This will be a piece of silver vein. Thanks so much for watching. Bye for now.